Plumbago groundcover, also known as Leadwort, is a beautiful little groundcover with pretty blue flowers. Plumbago produces clusters of small bright blue flowers that bloom in late summer and fall. These flowers are a magnet for pollinators like butterflies and bees. Plumbago produces glossy green leaves that often turn shades of red and bronze in the fall. Plumbago is a low-growing perennial that spreads by underground rhizomes. It can be used as a ground cover or edging plant, and it's hardy in zones 5 to 9. Plumbago prefers full sun to part shade, and as with most plants, well-drained soil is best for its health. Once established though, Plumbago is drought tolerant with regular watering during dry periods. Plumbago is a low-maintenance plant once established. It attracts wildlife to its vibrant flowers, and nectar-rich blooms attract pollinators. It can be used as a ground cover, edging plant. This is a really nice ground cover, and I think I'm going to start digging it up and putting it some other places around the garden. Seems like you don't have to do anything at all to take care of it. I can't even remember where I bought it some years ago, but it blooms every fall, and it's a really nice ground cover. It's not the, there is a Plumbago that's a bush, but this is just the ground cover. I'm kind of trying to tell if these stems are woody or not. Look at this, it just keeps creeping along the ground. Yeah, it's just creeping along the ground. Huh. So here's the stems right here. Huh. Yeah, it's been here for many years. It's been in this area for many years, and it's kind of just filling it up. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I was able to make a good video for you that helped you out, and one that was entertaining to watch. And if I was able to do those things, could you please subscribe? I would really appreciate if you'd subscribe to this channel and like this video. And thanks a lot, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.